Good afternoon and welcome to Courtroom Chronicles, Trials of South Africa. Happy Monday. So today on the 6th of October 2025, the trial of farmer Zachariah Johannes Oliver resumed in the Polokwane High Court. And this is one case that really shook Limpopo. So let's go back a bit to 2024. Two women, Maria Makhato and Lucia Ndlovu, reportedly went to a farm in Sibayeng outside Polokwane. They were apparently there to collect expired food supplies from the farm. But instead of calling the police or reporting them, the farmer allegedly attacked them. According to the story that's come out in court, both women were shot and unalived, then their bodies were dumped into a pigsty. One of the woman's husbands managed to escape and call the police. That's how the horrific crime was discovered. When police arrived, they reportedly found the bodies being fed to pigs. 3 people were arrested. The farmer Zachariah Johannes Oliver, the employee William Musora, and the farm manager Rudolf de Wet. All of this happened in 2024. But now there's a major twist. Rudolf has turned into state witness under Section 204, meaning he won't be prosecuted if he tells the full truth about what happened. He claims that he was forced by Oliver, the 60-year-old farmer, to help him cover up the murders. The trial continues on the 17th of October 2025, and the families of Maria and Lucia are still seeking justice, according to one of their husbands who survived that day. If you don't know what this state witness is, it's someone who's originally part of the accused but agrees to testify for the state in exchange for immunity from prosecution, provided they are completely honest. Now, all eyes are back on Polokwane High Court as South Africans wait to see if justice will finally be served. Now, that's what I have for you for now. And until next time, God bless you and ciao.